What's up, social mafia? Welcome back to my channel, and this is the last and the third part of Instagram paid advertisement videos. And in this video, finally, we are going to set up an Instagram campaign. Let's begin. If you didn't watch this video or this video, I'm also gonna leave the link in the description box. Make sure to watch them because I share in these videos a lot of theory. What kind of ads perform the best, what kind of content you should create for your Instagram campaign and things like that. Make sure to check both videos because they are part of this whole tutorial. So it's gonna be easier for you to set up a successful campaign for your Instagram. So let's begin with the tutorial. So hello, welcome back to this tutorial. We are first gonna go through quickly some of the key points that we need in order to set up our first Instagram campaign. I mentioned in the two videos before about different types of content for advertisement. If you didn't watch this video, make sure to watch it because you will have more knowledge to set up the perfect campaign that's gonna bring you a lot of traffic or leads or whatever is your goal within this campaign. So we have to decide whether it's gonna be for Instagram stories or for Instagram feed. If you go for Instagram stories, I highly recommend you to go for a short video that is vertical and 15 seconds long, no more. And as well as for the message, if you're promoting something that has a lot of information, then make sure to use Instagram feed because in Instagram feed you're gonna add a caption where you're gonna provide all this information. The content that actually works pretty well for advertisement is of course something that you're getting for free. That's gonna be the first step of your sales funnel and promote your final product. So make sure to think beforehand what kind of a product you can offer to your audience. It can be a digital product like ebook, brochures, even 30 minutes free consultation. Or if you're selling a physical product, make sure to include discount on your favorite product, on your best product. In this case, you're going to create a triggering message for your audience. And as for the budget, you have to think also beforehand and think how much you're ready to assign for Instagram campaigns. Facebook allows you to go from $3 per day up to whatever is your budget. I would suggest that you go at least for $5 a day, and then you're gonna test everything out, what's working, what is not, and can reallocate your budget to any other advertisement. So if you really want to test which one, if you're not sure which one of these two options are working for you, I would highly suggest that you do both. You do Instagram video for stories and a static image with a triggering a valuable message on Instagram feed. So let's dive into the creating our first Instagram campaign. Okay, so if you have never used before and never did any Instagram campaign by Facebook Ad Manager, this is the page where you start your journey. It's facebook.com/business. Once you create an ad button, you will appear on this page after you go to all the process. Go back. So you're gonna first appear on this page, and about this table I was explaining in my other videos, and you can find the links to these videos in the description box. Make sure to watch them before you start creating campaign right away. And as you never did campaign before, I would highly suggest that you go for objective traffic. So we're gonna click ahead and choose traffic. Then we're going to continue. You can give a name to your ad set. And yes, it's going to be driving to your website. Here you have different choices. If Facebook Ad Manager allows you to go for many different choices, you can create lookalike audiences. You can even target people who already interacted with your content. But today we are going to create just a custom audience. And here you can choose location. I'm going to go, for example, choose USA. United States. Yes, I'm gonna target these people that are within this, and then we go from 18 to let's say we go to 50 years old. You can also enter languages, and here we're gonna include some detailed targeting. For example, if you know your competitors already, you can target people of your competitors, people who follow your competitors. That is really super cool. For example, here I'm gonna write Gary Vaynerchuk. So I'm gonna choose Gary just for now. And here you can see our reach and our link clicks. Okay, here we don't touch anything. And then here we're gonna go and edit placements. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can set up Instagram story advertisement. So the platforms we are excluding Facebook and Audience Network, Messenger as well, and Instagram feed we include, and we just have Instagram stories. That's all right, and here you can include the mobile device, but usually leave this as it is. Yes, link clicks and daily budget, you can change daily budget. Let's say we go to $5 a day. You can see that our link clicks shrinked, but still it's gonna be just $5 for this amount of links, which I think is quite cool. And then we're just gonna go and click continue. Make sure that your Instagram is attached here, the right Instagram, okay? It is very important. Then we are going to add our artwork already. As I already have something that the video that I already showed you, I'm gonna go ahead and click video. That is already here. We're gonna go click continue. Here you place your URL. I'm gonna, let's say, put this one here, my link to my website. Here I don't highly recommend you to write any text, because once your campaign is running and then this text is gonna overlap some maybe important information on your advertisement, and this can look messy, and I don't think it's really nice to do that. So skip it. If you have a chance to create some written text over your video, do that, than this. So, and then the next thing we are going to do is just say confirm, and it will take a little bit of time to confirm your video ad to be approved by Facebook. And once it's approved, your ad is gonna run. You can of course switch it off and adjust your budget or anything that you want. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Make sure to smash this like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and hit the notification bell button in order to not miss any of my videos. And in the next tutorial we are going to choose the best performing post for the feed advertisement, as well as I'm gonna share with you how you can create an Instagram story video that's gonna perform really good on your Instagram campaign. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to list them below, and if there's any topic you want me to cover in the future videos, make sure to mention them in the comments as well, because I create content based on your requests.